Have you felt unprepared to love again? Have you ever felt unsure, maybe even terrified, about opening your heart to love again after a breakup? You're not alone. Did you know that 60% of people say they struggle with the fear of vulnerability after ending a relationship? It's one of the biggest emotional roadblocks when deciding if you're ready to try again. So, how do you know if you're ready to love once more? How do you heal and grow so that the next relationship feels healthier, stronger, and more fulfilling? Let's talk about it. Why does moving on feel so hard? Breaking up with someone, whether it's amicable or painful, often leaves deep emotional scars. Many people feel like they're standing on shaky ground afterward, plagued by questions like, what if I get hurt again? How do I trust someone new? Am I even capable of loving again? It's completely natural to experience hesitation. Love requires vulnerability, and after a breakup, the thought of exposing yourself to that risk can feel overwhelming. Fear of rejection, repeating past mistakes, or losing yourself in another relationship can hold you back. But the good news? Love, at its core, is about growth, and readiness starts with you. The challenges of loving again. After a breakup, people experience an emotional roller coaster. Fear of vulnerability. Opening your heart again feels dangerous when you've been hurt before. Trust doesn't come easily, and you may instinctively guard yourself to avoid future pain. The weight of past mistakes. If a previous relationship ended because of specific issues like poor communication, trust problems, or incompatibility, there's often a lingering fear that the same patterns will repeat. Loss of self-confidence. Breakups can shake your belief in yourself. You may wonder if you're worthy of love or doubt your ability to find the right partner. Rushing into love too soon. Some people jump into a new relationship to escape loneliness, but this can backfire if they haven't taken time to heal. These challenges don't mean you're broken. They're simply signs that your heart needs time, patience, and care. Strategies to heal and rediscover yourself. If you're wondering whether you're ready for love again, the first step is turning inward. Healing isn't about finding the right person, it's about becoming the right version of yourself. 1. Self-reflection. Learn from your past. Take an honest look at what went wrong in your previous relationships. Ask yourself, what did I learn about myself through that experience? What do I want to do differently next time? Understanding past patterns helps you break cycles and move forward with intention. Pro tip: journaling is a great way to process your emotions. Write about your thoughts, fears, and hopes to gain clarity. 2. Focus on personal growth. Before you invite someone new into your life, strengthen your relationship with yourself. Rebuild your confidence, set personal goals, pick up a new hobby, or reconnect with things you love. Confidence grows when you invest in your own happiness. Practice self-care, nurture your emotional and physical health. Whether it's meditation, exercise, or reading a great book, self-care is the foundation for a strong and resilient you. Define your values. What matters most to you in a relationship? Identifying your values, like honesty, trust, or shared goals, will help you recognize the right partner when they come along. 3. Seek support from others. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Lean on friends and family. Talk to trusted loved ones about your feelings. Sometimes, just voicing your emotions can bring relief. Consider therapy or counseling. A professional can help you process lingering heartbreak, rebuild your self-esteem, and identify patterns that may hold you back. Join supportive communities. Whether it's an online group or a real-life community, hearing others' stories reminds you that healing is universal. 4. Take small steps toward vulnerability. Being ready for love doesn't mean diving headfirst into a relationship. Instead, practice opening your heart in smaller ways. Build meaningful connections with friends. Explore new relationships without pressure. Allow yourself to trust again, gradually and intentionally. Remember, vulnerability isn't weakness. It's the gateway to deep and lasting connection. A story of growth and resilience. Take Sarah's story, for example. After a difficult breakup, Sarah was convinced she'd never love again. For months, she avoided dating, afraid of being hurt. But rather than forcing herself into a new relationship, she decided to focus on herself. She started journaling to process her feelings. She traveled solo and rediscovered her independence. She went to therapy to understand the deeper fears holding her back. Months later, Sarah met someone new unexpectedly. This time, she approached the relationship differently. She was confident, clear about her boundaries, and willing to be vulnerable. Her readiness for love wasn't about finding the right person. It came from the work she did on herself. Sarah's story reminds us that healing takes time, but when you build a strong foundation, love can thrive. Readiness comes from within. Finding love again isn't about rushing or waiting for someone to fix you. It's about healing, learning, and rediscovering your own worth. The journey might feel long, but every step, no matter how small, moves you closer to a deeper, healthier love. To recap, reflect on past relationships and learn from them. Focus on personal growth and confidence. Lean on your support systems. Take small, intentional steps toward trust and vulnerability. Remember, you are worthy of love. Readiness comes when you know yourself and embrace the possibility of connection, no matter the risks. Share your story. Have you ever struggled to open your heart again after a breakup? How did you know you were ready for love? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this, don't miss our next video, How to Build a Healthy Relationship That Lasts. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on love, growth, and building strong connections. You're not alone in this journey. Love starts with you.